Okay, so this is it. Then in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. You can see I'm using HP notebook PC, and over here they said please install an operation system on your hard disk, boot device not found. So in this video I'm going to help you through how you can solve this problem. Of course, first of all, we have to turn off the PC again by just tapping on the power button. Then we will boot the PC into the BIOS mode. So when you are turning on your PC, sometimes you will see it at the down here to pause start, or sometimes you will have to click on F2 or F10 or F11 on other PCs to get into the BIOS mode. So let's see how we can do it on this PC. In my own case, I will have to pause the startup, which is immediately the screen comes on. I will have to pause the startup. Oh, sorry. So we will have to try again. So I'll continue hitting that escape button until you see. Oh, so it failed once again. I'll just switch off the PC, and you keep doing it until you are able to. Oh damn! So my device doesn't want to go into. Finally, finally, the startup menu has appeared. So you can see BIOS setup. Mine, in my own case, is F10. So I'll just hit F10. Then you can see now the startup utility or the setup utility is here. So you move to system configuration settings, then you come down to boot options. You hit enter to launch the boot options. Then as you can see, legacy support is disabled here. So to enable it, you hit on enter to drop down the menu, then you choose enabled, and you can see it says changing the settings may make the system unable to boot the OS. Do you want to do it? So you choose yes, then you hit enter, then you hit F10 to save and exit. Okay, so as you can see, now they said operation system boot mode changed, and they say a change to the operation system secure boot mode is pending. Please enter the passcode displayed below to complete the change. If you did not initiate this request, press escape key to continue without accepting the pending change. So what you want to do now is enter this code, then hit on the enter to complete the change. So the code is, in my case, 4020, then hit enter. Now problem solved. Your PC now boots up. Thank you very much for being with us, and thank you for watching to this part as well. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do that. Give the video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and share it to your friends as well. You can check out other videos on our channel, and whatever your thoughts are, you can put them in the comment section. Whatever you are expecting from this YouTube channel as well, you can put them in the comment section, and we'll tackle them in our next video. Until then, see you in the next one.